Good. Arms. Okay, my doctor. The last thing. Can you read these letters for me?
Are you checking my eyes?
Yes.
Can I show the letters though, so they know I can see? She's my doctor. What's it? Jazza. So A. Is that right, doctor?
Yes. This one.
E. A. B. Meninya.
Okay.
Obi a make night shift too. I just say D grand some mother. Okay. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. Did I pass my eye test? Okay. J. Some. K. Did I pass? Yeah, Dr. Alisha.
But I have to do one more thing.
Okay, do it. Go ahead. Go ahead. I mean, in front of me, okay. Doctor. Okay. Say, Baya, oh baby, I'm a mother. Hey, blankety. Oh, my doctor, examine me. You do it. Get away now.
Now I'm going to show you.
Abusia, please, if not for anything, kindly subscribe. What's it? Because of Alisha. What's it?
Now you got a prize because you did really well.
Okay.
So, and the prize.
I'm a good patient then.
Yes. And the prize.
Hey, price then yeah, major.
Is
Okay. Yes.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, I've got a teddy.
And her name is Layla.
Hi, Layla. You okay? I mean, yeah, what? I got night shift, my bread. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe. What? Like the video and share. Love you all. Bye.
Bye.
From Doctor.
Yay. Oceana, Wapemo. I got my victory in you. Will come home to me.